Before Srikanth became a gamer, he had great ambitions of becoming a sports journalist, specifically a cricket journalist. He was imagining interviewing greats like Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara and their ilk. But life had other plans for him and he took to games when everything else turned its back on him. But this week he had a big smile on his face because he got a chance to play an online game of cricket, and this is his take on it.
Sir, are you happy with the Indian team that has been selected for the Bangladesh tour?
Yeah, not really. They could have rested a couple of senior players and then brought in youngsters if they're looking for a team for the future.
Well, I'm not at all happy with the Indian team which is selected for the Bangladesh tour. Especially the bowling strength is not that great.
Sachin and Dravid and Lakshman, out of these three, I would have picked two or one, and I would have replaced them with Virat Kohli and Badrinath if we are looking for a team in the future.
Well, instead of Srikanth, I would have picked Irfan Pathan.
Kohli is so cute, I think he should never be dropped.
Srikanth, we have just heard from the cricket lovers of Chennai, and it is very clear that they have some strong opinions when it comes to the selection of the cricket team. Back to you in the studio. In India, cricket is a religion with millions of followers. Everyone seems to have an expert opinion on who should be in the team and who should not. So if you want to be a selector yourself, let me show you how. Log on to www.dream11.com, the web page that hosts the fantasy cricket game. The concept of the game is very simple. You create your dream team for a tournament and earn points depending on how your players perform in the match that is being played in the real world. The team must be ready before the deadline for that particular round of the tournament. Before you can proceed to creating your dream team, you must register. The registration page cannot be skipped because these details will be required to receive your prizes. Yes, you heard me right. Top performers in a tournament can win prizes. Apply all possible permutation and combinations to pick a balanced side, which includes players from both the teams playing the tournament. If you do not keep yourself up to date with all the cricketing news, then you may end up picking up players who are not even in the squad. The website also has all the news about who is injured, who is most likely to play, who will be rested, and also live scores. Now, a team of 12 players must be formed with a given budget of 100 crores. The budget is obviously to prevent you from picking only the stars. The team should include at least one wicket-keeper, 3 batsmen, 3 bowlers and 1 all-rounder. A tab with a list of all the cricketers categorized based on the various parameters and their fees can be seen on the right corner. All the chosen players will appear on the virtual field. Finally, before the team is saved, you will have to choose the captain and the 12th man. The point system may sound complex since there are points for everything from runs scored to the strike rate of a batsman. Bowlers also have points based on their economy rate, wickets taken and so on. And the grading also changes from one format of the game to the other. Creating a separate league for yourself can be interesting since you get to compete with your own friends. Dream11 is also connected to the various networking sites for sending invites and challenges. Once the match starts, you cannot make any changes, but do log in to check your rankings. And the site also has various cricket games which can be good pastimes. The cricket games are divided into hot, funny, action, board and card games. I really enjoyed taking slip catches during my cricket coaching days. And this game, electric fielding, makes me nostalgic. The cricket paparazzi is great fun. The task is to catch cricketers red-handed and take snaps of them in action, but outside the field. And the most rewarding is IPL Flopstars, wherein you get to bomb cricketers whom you despise with eggs and tomatoes. If you're a big Sachin fan like me, then you should try Sachin Ka Samna. Overall, Dream11.com is one link which every cricket follower will save to his favourites and take to it time and again.
Please send in your compliments, suggestions and criticism to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Tell us what you'd like to see on our show and we'll do our best to get it for you. See you next week.